In here, we'll explore the App Users section within the Content Manager. This feature allows you to view, manage, and add users for your app with ease. In the App Users section, you'll see a table listing all registered users for your app. Each entry shows the user's name, email, and date they joined. Additionally, you'll find a count of anonymous users who are not registered. Clicking on a user entry gives you two management options. You can send a password reset link to help them regain access or delete the user with the red button. To add a new app user, simply click the Add User button. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the name and email of the user, along with the invite type. There are two invite types to choose from. Send Invite lets the user receive an email, set their own password, and log into the app. Set Password allows you, as the Content Manager, to assign a password directly, which the user must enter to access the app. If you need to assign the new user to a specific user group, simply select the group from the drop-down menu. This helps categorize users and manage permissions effectively. Once all the details are filled out, click Add User. Your new user will be added, and if they're invited, they'll receive an email to join the app. And that's how you manage app users in the Appspotr Content Manager. With just a few steps, you can add, view, and manage your app's user base efficiently.